today I'm going to be doing a Christmas tutorial. I finally used color for once in my life, and then it's red and green. I tried my best. I feel like I kind of messed up on the red side, but I'm still like practicing with color and all that good stuff because I know you guys wanted to see a colorful look. So this is what I came up with. It's a lot. I feel like it's a lot of color, but it was super fun to do. Very challenging because it took me forever to film this video, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So this is the finished Christmas look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I didn't talk through, but I wanted it to be like a quick little tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoyed. And I actually did colors, so it's super exciting. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.